In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove and replace the battery on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located under the hood in the engine bay. Let's get started. I'm going to open my hood, locate my battery. It is on the driver's side of the engine bay and the negative battery terminal. I'll be using a 10mm to remove this. Let's loosen it. Maneuver it side to side. Then pull up with both hands and set it aside. Now that my negative battery terminal is out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and move along the side of the battery and locate this connector near the coolant reservoir. I'm going to use a 90-degree pick to remove the clip. So just get your pick and pull on this red tab. Now you can see it's free. We can push down and slide it out. Inspection for any corrosion or damage. Now I'm going to move along to my positive battery terminal. I'm going to lift off this cap. There's a clip there. Just lift it up. And locate the 10mm nut for the terminal. Remove that. Just ensure it's loose for now. Now that my terminal is loose, I'm going to go and lift up on the corners of the cover. Lift here, and on the other side right here, lift as well. Now you can undo the cover and set it aside. Now on the front and back side of the terminal, you're going to go and locate these tabs. You're going to lift up. Same on the other side, lift up. And slide the whole assembly off. As you can see, there's that other tab. It is right near the harness connector. Set this aside. Now I'm going to locate my two battery cradle nuts. There are two 10mm, one right here and one right here. Just remove those. I'll set these aside. To remove the cradle, simply lift up on the front side. There's a tab on the back. You just lift up all the way and slide it out. Now to remove our battery cover, this simply slides up. We'll have to get this out the way though, so I'm just going to maneuver it out. I'm going to pull up on the metal. And we could also set this aside. Now to remove our battery. Just going to locate these handles, pull them up. Now we can remove it. Now I'm going to use a rag to clean the battery tray area. I'm going to use a dedicated wire brush to clean the battery terminals. I'm going to get inside. Same with the positive battery terminal. Yeah, that looks good. Now to reinstall our battery. Gonna take it, slide it in first. I'm gonna lift up on the terminal so I have room. Now make sure it sits flush with the battery tray. Remember, during reinstallation, the orientation of your terminals, negative is on the driver's side and positive is towards the passenger side. I'm also going to clean the battery terminal posts with a wire brush. This is a special battery brush. Just slide it over and twist. This is to ensure we have a proper connection with the terminals. So pry this up. And that looks good. And now to reinstall our battery cover. So the side with the plastic is towards the negative battery terminal. This side is for the positive. That's more open. I'm going to slide the terminal assembly up. Be aware of the J-hook during installation. Make sure you don't go over it. And just push down. Make sure it's flush. Now for our terminal assembly. Remember these clips? One right here, one right here. I'm going to line them on the battery and just clamp them down. So make sure you hear that click. Make sure it's secure. Now slide your terminal over. Make sure it's flush. Now we could tighten it down. Just use a 10mm and just snug it up. Now for my cradle. There's a tab on this side. Goes over and hooks up. So we're going to have to hook it in. Just hook it like that. And line the threads with the holes. One on the J-hook and one on the chassis side of the vehicle. Just thread on your 10mm nuts. And now just simply snug these down. Make sure the whole battery is secure. Now for my positive battery terminal cover, I'll locate these two tabs and clip them in. Slide them up, make sure they're secure, and push the whole assembly down. I'm going to go ahead and locate my connector. Just slide it in. Make sure you hear that click, and as for the tab, just push it in so it stops. I'll try to pull it out and make sure it's secure. Now let's go ahead and reinstall our negative battery terminal. Slide it over. Make sure it's flush and snug it down. Once that's snug, make sure it's secure. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test. Make sure you don't have any codes or any lights on the dash, and thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.